how to crimp your hair. There's no crimp hairs, right? I'm using Andrew Barton ones. The first crimpers. I don't know, this might not work straight away for this. Right, so I've just got to plug this in again. It's working at the moment. Here it is. My ones are turned on. See, they're hot. So what you're going to do is you're just going to brush your hair. And you're going to get a little bit, about that much, hair. And just push it. Push. Sometimes they don't work as well as others. Trust me, they do crimp hair. Only little ones maybe at times. See, that is crimped. And then you just do that again. Up. I'll be a bit hot depending on how you do it. And these are new crimp hairs, so they don't always work as well, so I have to look in the mirror. You have to push it because they don't always work as well. I'm just going to do the bottom of it. So anyway, guys, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Because it's Father's Day today. I know some people don't support Father's Day, but yeah, it's Father's Day, yeah. And then I'm going to do a little bit of my hair and then just do my fringe. Because otherwise I'll probably be here all day, so there's a few crimps in my hair. And I'm just going to put my fringe. I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to fringe down slightly. Do fringe. The same. Push, 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 push. Right. And if you don't like it, you can always brush it down. I would warn you to put a little bit of hairspray in after this, because I had my hair like this last night. And after an hour, I hurt myself. After an hour or two, it just went straight out. So, yep. That's just warning you. Put a little bit of hairspray in there. I've got to turn these off somehow. I only got these last night, so I'm not expert in them. And if you get the ones from, if you get these ones, they come with this little case which says Andrew Barton on it, professional. So you just put them in the case, it comes in. I don't know whether you've got to wait for them to cool down or what, because these, I don't know what to touch them with. Okay, it's too hot. Probably, it's too hot. So there you are. Crimped hair. So, I'm just going to hold these for a minute. So you just brush it out if you don't like it. You don't always brush out, you might have a few crimps, but quite rough one. But you still have crimps in because they take a while to go. I just got these last night from Argos, so get them in Argos. And in Argos, I was going to tell you how much money they are this box, okay? So I'm just going to put this back in case hopefully it won't catch fire. Hoping, okay? It may very well. But I'm hoping it won't. How it's hot. It's still hot. So that's how you crimp your hair. Okay. Right, let me just put this back. Put the plug in. I've been around my nan's. Sometimes the plug don't fit in, I'm not really sure at times. Because like, as I'm new to this, I don't really know. Goodness. There. Go. It went here. Oh. I've got to take my jumper off. I'm sweating. Anyway, bye guys.